Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox keep crashing and freezing. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First things you can try to do is go to your installed apps and make sure that you don't have an application called Oculus. So here you're going to write down Oculus, and if it's there you want to go ahead and uninstall it, just like you would do right there. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to go again to settings. And on settings, you want to go to Windows Update and check for updates. If there's any updates, make sure you do them and install them. Now you want to go ahead and disable any cameras you have. So your cameras will be here on Bluetooth devices. So you can go ahead and disable them here. And also you can go to Device Manager. And on Device Manager, you will see your cameras somewhere right there at the top. Now you want to update your GPU drivers. So I'm using NVIDIA, so I'm just going to open up NVIDIA app. And on an NVIDIA app, there's drivers right there. And as you can see, update is available. So I can go ahead and download my update on NVIDIA app. And now if that didn't work, then you want to go ahead and write down run and open it up. After that, you want to write down %temp percentage and open it up. And now you want to click anywhere and click R and find Roblox. Now, as I already deleted that, I cannot see it here. But you want to go ahead and find Roblox file and just delete it like you would do. Delete it here. Once you have deleted it, you want to go on search and write down Roblox player right there and right click on it, open file location. After that, once you will find Roblox player here, you want to open file location again. And you will be redirected to this page. Now you will see Roblox player beta. You want to open it up within properties. Just go ahead, open it up, go to compatibility and make sure that these are ticked. So run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin, apply and OK. And if that fixed the problem, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.